So the heart invites blood into motion, allowing coherent motion through rhythmic patterns of coordinated twists and releases. It does not pump. It's not external control over the blood. And we know this because fetuses take, a few weeks to develop the heart, and blood flows without the heart because blood moves in a spiral pattern, like it's natural and is nature. Nature will move in a spiral pattern. It provides more stability and flexibility than a straight line. Straight lines break. So blood flows like that, okay? So this twists and releases creates an energetic vortex. The electromagnetic field around our hearts is 5,000 times stronger than our brains. And the nervous system in our heart is far more complex than our brains. And our heart sends far more signals to our brains the other way around. Our hearts are in charge. So you have to recalibrate the heart to recalibrate your nervous system. And the heart is communicating from the soul. So the soul's got to be recalibrated. And that is the self-love that I teach in my free ebook. So blood naturally flows in a spiral, as it is the most energy efficient and turbulent reducing way to move matter. Okay, turbulent reducing, the most kind of smooth pattern. This movement pattern emphasizes the vortex created by the heart. And spiral systems adapt where linear systems break. They allow movement without rupture. And oscillating energy is alive energy. They want you to believe that you have an external locus of control. Okay? This mindset is what sets us up for the victimhood, to have an oppressor and oppressee. But because if we have internal authority, then that's a whole other system. Then external control mechanisms like nation states, religions, other external control mechanisms can't control you. And so they want to keep this knowledge from us. That's why this isn't taught in schools right now. Nikola Tesla said, if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. And he was right, with blood flow in the fetus. Wow. And that is healing from trauma. So I'll link this below, but I'm going to stop it there. That is the process to heal from trauma, is to recalibrate your nervous system to resonate with love, compassion, and enlightenment for self. And when you have love, compassion, and enlightenment in your heart, then that's what you project out in your soul. Then that's what you project out through your heart onto the quantum field. The universe is a mirror, showing you yourself in every moment as a constant feedback loop for self-improvement. That's the wisdom. Knowledge says we attract what we are through energetic resonance, meaning a vibrational match, because the universe is a mirror and we live in a holographic universe.